Microsoft Teams has come a long way, and in 2025, there are even more tips and tricks to help you work smarter and stay organized. Whether you're part of a small team or a large organization, knowing these shortcuts can save you time and make collaboration a breeze. First, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. Did you know you can press Ctrl plus E to jump straight to the search bar? Or use Ctrl plus Shift plus M to mute or unmute yourself during meetings instantly? Learning these shortcuts can make navigating Teams much faster and reduce the number of clicks you need to make each day. Next, take advantage of the new AI-powered features in Teams 2025. You can use AI to summarize long meetings, highlight action items, and even generate draft responses in your chats. This is a huge time saver, especially if you attend multiple meetings daily. Another useful trick is organizing your chats and channels. Pin important chats to the top, use custom names for group chats, and mute conversations that aren't relevant. This keeps your Teams workspace clean and helps you focus on what's important. Teams also makes file collaboration easier than ever. You can open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files directly inside Teams, co-edit with your team in real time, and even use version history to track changes. Don't forget to explore tags and mentions to get someone's attention quickly. Just type it followed by their name or tag, and they'll get a notification instantly. For meetings, use the Together mode and Focus mode features to reduce distractions and make virtual collaboration more engaging. Finally, one of the best tips is to customize your notifications. With Teams 2025, you can set different notification levels for chats, channels, and mentions. This way, you won't miss critical updates, but also won't get overwhelmed with alerts. By combining these shortcuts, AI features, and organizational tricks, you can make Microsoft Teams work for you, not the other way around. If you found these Microsoft Teams tips and tricks useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and start using these tips today to take your Teams experience to the next level.